COVID-19 has created some unique challenges for those of us who work in manufacturing. Some of us have seen demand drop, while others have seen it spike. And regardless, we've got to come up with new ways of operating to keep our people safe. This series of videos is designed to help those of you who've seen peaks in demand and are looking for ways to help your operations respond quickly. For the past 20 years, we've been helping manufacturing operations find new ways to get more production out of their existing asset base. We've helped hundreds of companies across dozens of industries. In the following 3 videos, we'll share with you some of distilled versions of our techniques for increasing output. We hope you find them helpful. In creating these videos, we are making some assumptions about your business situation. First, you are already working tirelessly to raise output. Areas of low-hanging fruit, such as optimizing scheduling, deferring discretionary maintenance, and maximizing crude hours, have already been captured. Second, you have identified which process step is currently constraining your output, and you are doing all that you can to keep it running. Finally, you do not have time to wait for capital expenditure to meet this demand. With these constraints in mind, you can pull on 2 levers for producing more: running your processes faster and running with higher uptime. The material that follows will help you pull on both of these levers. The first video shares a systematic approach to performance test, or speed trial, the speed limiting step in your process. We often find free speed of 10% or more while maintaining or improving the quality and uptime of the process. The second video is a process for downtime reduction, aimed at repetitive activities such as changeovers, preventative maintenance, packaging changes, and other unavoidable stops. We often find a reduction of 25% or more of these types of repetitive activities is possible. The third video relates to both of these topics. It focuses on the mindsets and behaviors we bring to any improvement activity. We have found that it is often the mindsets and behaviors we apply when using any improvement tool, rather than the tool itself, that makes all the difference. In this video, we touch on the 9 behaviors that are critical to permanently solving any stubborn problem, the first of which is to stop guessing. We hope these approaches help you tackle your specific challenges, as they've helped our clients over the years. If you'd like to learn more, or have questions about how to apply these techniques most successfully, please reach out.